What up guys, welcome to another video. I have something big in the back, that's going to be the next video, but right now, first things first on the modifications, we got the Cobb Accessport V3. Just picked it up from my homies at Good Speed Performance. I'm getting over being sick, that's why I haven't been uploading. Tuned by Good Speed Performance. I'm probably going to get my car tuned there. Really rad guys there, you guys should go check it out. I'll leave their information below, link in the description to go check them out. If you're local to Phoenix, go pick up parts directly for them for your Subarus, GTRs, any car basically. They do Chevy stuff, like all the kinds of everything. So yeah, Good Speed, they're awesome, super helpful guys in there. Joe, thank you for helping me out. Thanks for taking care of me. So yeah, let's open this Accessport and show you guys what's inside. This is my second Accessport. I had one on my Speed 3, but if you're new here with this Subaru thing, you've never seen one opened, it's got pretty cool packaging, so let's go check it out, and I need to blow my nose. Got a nice, I think it's called, and an adhesive mount. Pencil part. Here's the Accessport itself, different one. I know. Where it plugs in, we go down here and you'll see the cord plugged in right there. It's really easy to get to. This is my button for my light bar, and then the Accessport can come up here. Up, down, okay, back, and we're just gonna turn the car on, just the ignition. Do not turn the engine on. Continue, turn the AC off. Make sure the stereo's off, save battery, and then right here, install. We're gonna click the center button. Please confirm that your vehicle matches the 2015 USDM WRX STi. Continue. Let's do stage 1. Let's hold it down, center button. Intended for a 2015 WRX STi vehicle, so stock intake system and a stock exhaust running 91 or 92 octane. Boost target 17. Battery chargers recommended. My battery is brand new, we're good. Okay, here we go with the installation. Alright, we're going to turn the vehicle off. Please leave the ignition off, but the vehicle reinitializes to complete the reflash process. Please turn the ignition key to on.
System ready.
Gonna go ahead and start the car.
Testing.
Interesting.
System ready.
This is where I mounted the 3M adhesive deal. And then this slides on the back, and I changed the faceplate to black, so it actually looks pretty good here, but I'll probably get a mount right here later.